What's going on, everyone? Today I received this small rotating display so I could showcase my creation, and so also if I'm trying to sell something, I could make a 360-degree video or photos of my 3D printer or 3D printed items. So because it's too small, I wanted to enlarge the display area, which is right here on the top. So now get yourself a piece of paper like this, and of course a digital caliper like this, so that you could measure a couple of things. First, you're gonna have to measure the width, of course, the thickness, and also I wanted to create something that is as thick as the platform here, which is this. So for now, here's my measurements. So the outer diameter is 240 millimeter because my Bambu Lab build plate can accommodate up to 240 millimeters. And then the inner diameter, which is this platform right here, is 120 millimeters. And then the thickness of it, which is this platform right here, is 8 millimeter. So the skirt, I measured it out to like about 43, which is the thickness from the top all the way to the bottom. But then I don't want that to be completely flushed with this device. So I think I'm gonna do 35 millimeter of thickness. So I will have about this thick of gap between the platform and of course the rotating disc, so that it's not hitting on the table or something. So, oh, sorry. Okay, here. So from here, let's go on Onshape, which is a free software. You can go online and download that for free. Let's go over here on the left and press create, and then go down to document. Then from there, for now, I'm just gonna make it untitled document because I've already done this. Over here on the left, let's go and hide front and right, so we're only seeing the top. So if I hit top, I'm looking at top view. Okay, on the left here, let's go and create sketch, which is you hit that button right there, and click the plane that you wanted to, which is the top. So click on that plane, and over here on the left again, let's go and click circle. So then here, let's go over here and hit this dot right here in the middle to center it. So from here, outer diameter is 240 millimeter. So we hit 240 and click OK. And then now we'll create another circle, which is going to be the inner diameter. Click it again, 120, type 120 and click OK. From here, let's go hit extrude, which is right here on the left. Click that, and automatically it will give you 25 millimeter right here on the right. But we measured earlier that our top platform is going to be 8 millimeters. So let's go press 8 and press OK. So then now over here it's going to be 8 millimeter thick. Okay. Here. All right. Here, press OK. So then we have this platform, which is 240 millimeter wide, and you have the inner diameter here, which is 120. But because there's a hole there, what we're gonna do is we're gonna hit sketch again, so we can cover up that hole, and click on a plane. And then from here, let's go hit bottom. Now this is my way of doing this, okay? You guys can do create or whatever and how you would approach this designing. So let's go click that again, and then just click it wherever you prefer. And then so we could just hit the numbers here to 240. So we get exactly 240 millimeter diameter there. So from here, let's go and hit extrude, and then it will automatically put a 25 millimeter. So I only wanted it to do 2 millimeter thick. Press OK. Okay, so now it is completely covered up. So then on the bottom, right? So then, so the concept is this right here will slide over to this hole right here in the middle. Okay, from here you could be good from here like this, but I would prefer to hit fillet, which is this right here, to remove some of the edge right here, so it would slide in and out of the device with no issues. So you're gonna have to be mindful of the inner diameter of how much tolerance that your 3D printer is making. For instance, I have a cheap 3D printer that the tolerance on that on fine setting is 0.2 millimeter. So with my Bambu Lab, it's very tight tolerance, which is 0.02 millimeter tolerance. So I could hit exactly 120 millimeter and it will be snug. That's how precise that machine is. So now, okay, let's go and hit fillet, which is right over here. Click that, and then let's go hit this edge right here. Now we don't want 8 millimeter, that's way too wide. Okay, let's go click this and put 2, because we just want to remove the edge to smoothen it out. Okay, so you have that, and then of course over here on the top I would like to do that as well. Okay, there you go, and then click OK. Done. So now you have this, and it's completely fine. You could do this and it will go exactly on top of this, right? And that would be your display. But I wanted to create a skirt to hide this underneath. And this is just my idea. Okay, you can go whatever or design whatever how you want it. So again, from here, I would like to create sketch. And then I would like to hit this plane right here, because now we're going to be creating this circle on top of this surface. So I'll click that. And then what I wanted to do is click top, so that it will be dead center. Now you have to be careful on this. When you click on the circle, you have to make sure that the dot right there in the middle is highlighted so that it will be completely centered. If not, it will be off. So I click that. And then click that out, and then we'll measure out. Let's say I wanted to make the skirt 5 millimeters thick. So 240 minus 10, because 5 millimeters each side, I'll do 230. I'll click 230. Then we have created this skirt that is 5 millimeters thick. So then now I would like to hit extrude and highlight what we just created, which is this right here. So then now, after we hit that, oops, okay, hold on. No. Okay, let's go hit back arrow, because apparently we highlighted the whole circle instead, the middle circle instead of the side. What we wanted to do is click on this. That's the one we wanted. Okay. So we screwed that up because we hit the middle part. So let's go hit back arrow right here, back. And then I guess we'll just exit out, because it's we have pressed the middle part. So we wanted this part right here. Okay, so let's go hit that. There we go. So then over here, let's go hit extrude. So then now we have a skirt that popped out. And I measured it to 43 by I would like to do 35. So I'll hit 35 here, press OK. And then now we have that skirt. Now press OK. So there you go. Look at this disc right here with that skirt to hide the actual device. So then now, I think I'm fine with that. I could hit another fillet right over here on the corner and smoothen it out, but I think I'm fine with this. I'll be okay. All right, so then from here, all you gotta do is go to over here on the left, right click on that and say export. And so you could export as an STL file, and then from there you can load it to your computer. Let's say, let's go hit export, whatever, Part Studio for that file right here on the top, and then import excuse me. And then from here, let's go to, I had that in, where you at? PC, C, undownloaded file. So the Part Studio is right there. So I load that up, and this is how it looks in the Bambu Lab slicer. And I would like to print it out this way so that it would be a lot easier for my printer to print, and then without the use of support. So when you create a design, you're gonna have to make sure that your computer would print it with ease, so you can help the computer achieve the best results for you. So from there, you just send it to slice and then print, and then wait for it to complete. Well, I hope this little video helps you guys out there, and this is the finished product. Whoa. All right, so here you go. This is it. This is the surface, and then this is the back side. So now we can get this device and then flip it over, place it right there in the middle, and then push down. Okay, from here, turn this on. There we go. There. So now you see how you have a little bit of gap right there, but not completely flushed. So it would hide the device. So now I can put this right here in the middle, right? And then I can put another one here. And then finally I can put this other one here. There you go. And then now, there we go. This is the Christmas box that I created. I know it is that time of year again, so there it is. Okay, now that we have a bigger surface area right here, we could do this. This is the way.